cooking or something.
You probably could find all kinds of little invertebrates and stuff.
Yeah, there's a duck.
Oh yeah, maybe so.
Oh, I did bring that wildlife view.
Oh good, good, good.
And one of the things that I found is that I had always known that birds didn't smell. They didn't develop sense of smell. That's why I don't remember. And apparently I guess it's some of the cultures, certain cultures have a very developed sense of smell.
That's contrary to what I read about it. Is that right?
Yeah, and it says that they will find carrion by the smell.
Really? Because that's absolutely true, and I think my bird force.
And I always heard that that's why they eat it, because they couldn't smell it.
Exactly, and if you look at their overall, just their capacity of their brain to eye to everything ratio, it's
well, they were saying in this article that they have this is a beach, like beach zone.
really,
Yeah, and that they will sit on a carcass and if it blows open or some kind of scavenger comes in, fire that tears it open, then they'll eat. If they can't, if their beaks aren't strong enough to tear open and then it's an interesting article.
yeah, I'll look forward to it. It is.
Somebody's singing.
No, the real
Yeah. That's the one I used to hear. I thought it was like mockingbird, but it's not.
It's a tractor.
Pretty song.
It's a tractor.
That was really cool. I heard about it all my life. They take those cormorants and they just push them over the boat.
You actually got to see. I mean,
Oh yeah, no, we went out on a boat, right? And then the boat, shut all its lights off, and we just drifted along with the cormorant.
Yeah.
And the cormorant goes there, and the cormorant's going to ring.
Oh yeah.
But
yeah.
Rip it out of his mouth, throw it in the boat, and the cormorant kind of shakes his head. Ow! Oh, yeah, there you go.
Oh, yeah.
Did it say the song?
The song is the loudest thing with mostly guttural phrases, often voices like
That's what, that's what we had up in Grenada, and I thought it was awesome, very well, I saw it from there.
No, it's not. Oh, that is really good. The curve.
Yeah, it is. Look. Weather was great. No, the window was great. It is. Is the wind blowing his feathers up there?
It looks like a towing. Fine place to hang out there. Just all of the base right now.
Yeah, that's how it is. Boy, that was good. I think about taking that golf cart down to the Rip Current Wilson place, and they gave me a tour, of course, when I delivered. Like you said, things are moving very fast.
Wow.